is having issue with his network, and we're going to kick off this meeting regardless of that. So I want to be sure that every single person can see hear me right here in this meeting. If you can hear me, just go right now and comment. I can hear you in the comment section. And if you cannot, do well to let me know that you can't. Don't just keep quiet. I want to be sure every single person can hear me. Empire, are you there? Seems we can't. We lost you. We lost your network. When you join us, you should do it to let me know by raising up your hands. Okay. So I'm going to be sharing my screen right now for us to start this meeting. I want to be sharing my screen. Please pay attention. Before we start, I want to beg us for something. Please avoid every form of distraction. You have your smartphone. Probably you were watching skits or watching movie, or probably you're in a busy area. For this is a meeting and a training. That is why some of us have not been able to grasp the grips and the nitty-gritty of what we've been teaching you guys in this meeting, in our trainings. Trainings like this are being paid for. The fact you have it offered to you for free doesn't mean you should trivialize it. So I want you to pay attention. Get your notepad if you have a phone notepad. Get your notepad or your book or notebook and begin to note things. Probably you can get it recorded. So take note of what you're going to be learning tonight, okay? So make sure you take good note of what you're going to be learning tonight while we start this meeting. So once Empire is joined us, he can be able to open his mic and speak to us. But before that, I want to share my screen so I can kick off the meeting while he joins us.
All right. I'm here. I don't know if you can hear me. Network kicked me out.
Okay, we can hear you, please. We can hear you now.
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. Of course, today is another wonderful day to learn. And of course, we are super excited. We are super excited, even though network is trying to kick me out of the meeting, but we are here. All right. I welcome each and every one of us tonight because it's another wonderful day to learn. And today, just like our boss explained to us earlier, we're going to be learning about a business model that have, allowed us to enjoy great fortune. And not just only that, but also helping as many as possible all over the world to achieve greater success as well. And for goodness sake, this night is going to be one of the best nights you can ever hear of. I'm telling you the honest truth. Like he begged us earlier to make sure we put our phones on, to make sure we are on a safe environment where you can pay close attention to what we are going to be sharing tonight. You see, the same business we are talking about is what is capable of changing my life. And when I say changing my life, it's not just a joke. It's not a couple of, just like small money along the line. No. This business has actually shown me that there is a possibility. And of course, tonight you're going to be witnessing one of those things. If today is your first training, if today is your first time of joining us, here we show you beyond what is possible. Because what? In crypto space, there is a lot to go around. All you need to know, all you need to do is to just have an information on how to go around it and get what you want. Of course, my name is Christian Chibike Omer, and today I will be taking you on this particular training where I will be showing you exactly what happened to me early on. You see, last year, April precise, I came in contact with this business, online after so many years of frustration. After serving a man, I was given just a peanut to start up my own life. And I struggled all through. And at the point when I was about to, when I was frustrated, that was when I saw this business on TikTok. I was scrolling online and I saw this business on TikTok where I reached out and
your voice is cracking big time. We can't hear you
within
clearly.
9 p.m. like this. I joined that particular training. And that training exposed me to this amazing business that I'm about to expose to you tonight. See, one of the things is this: no matter how an information
Mr.
is,
Chibike, can you hear me,
all
please?
you need to do.
Can you hear me, please?
Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Is he better now?
Yeah, it's better. Please, if you know where it's better, please try and be
Yes,
there
I can hear you.
because
Can you hear me?
your voice has been cracking and
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me now?
we can hear you. As I said earlier, it's cracking. So try to get it clearer so we won't have any interruption in this meeting, in this training.
Of course, I'm changing. All right. All right. So can you hear me now?
Yeah, it's better now.
Is it better
Yes.
now? All right. So let's kickstart as quickly as possible. Of course, tonight is going to be an amazing night, and I want to help you understand something. What you make out of this meeting is entirely up to you, because we can only pass information. When I sat under this particular training few months ago, something happened to me. I was not the same. I started to implement everything that was taught to me. And today, I have results to show. And with a lot of things that has happened to me along the line, from this business, I have done over $100,000. For goodness sake, sometimes when we mention some figures, it looks so good to be true. But that does not remove the fact that what we have been doing in this environment is mind-blowing. And it can happen for anybody. So this training tonight is not a show of how big we are. It's not a show of how much we have gotten. It is actually a moment of transferring information that have the capacity to transform another person's life. And that could be you. So tonight, all I urge you to do is to pay close attention, because it's going to be amazing tonight. It's going to be amazing. Of course, we trade cryptocurrency using an amazing robot. Now, I'm going to be sharing my screen quickly, and I'm going to be taking you through on this particular training, and I'll show you how come we make this money. Because this is an opportunity for us that you can be in your locality, no matter the country where you are, and you have an opportunity to make money in dollars. And not just only making money in dollars, but making money in dollars on daily basis, including when you are sleeping. All I urge you is to make sure you understand exactly what we are doing and how we do this business. Because we are willing to teach you, we are willing to show you what we do, and all you need to do is to make sure you understand how to implement what we are teaching you. Because I did that a few months ago, and today I can tell you we're no longer students, even though we keep learning. But today we have an opportunity to teach others as well. And all you need is to access that information so you can transfer it to others around you. Now, of course, I'm going to be sharing my screen right now. I'll be showing you about this particular magic business. Because this business is the only business I have seen that transformed my life beyond recognition within a period of 12 months.
I don't really know what is wrong with your network, Mr. Empire. Empire, please, your network is terribly bad. Please, I don't know. If you can hear me, your network is bad, please. We can't hear anything you are saying.
Look at my screen.
I don't know. If you can hear me, we can't hear anything you are saying.
Application. This application is called
Chibika, can you hear me? We can't hear anything you are saying, please.
Now, what is you trading?
Mr.
You
Empire, can you hear me? Can you hear me, please? We can't hear anything you are saying. We can't hear anything you are saying. If you can hear me, please, go work on your network, please, and get back to the meeting. Your network is very terrible. We can't hear anything you are saying for a long time, and I've been calling your attention to it. And I guess you didn't hear me. But if you can hear me right now, I've been calling your attention for a long time now, but I think you were not hearing me. Work on the network and then get back immediately so you can be able to pick up from where you stop. But so far, I don't know if you can hear me, but I guess you can't hear me at the moment. So guys, I believe you all can see my screen. I don't know if you can see my screen, but I want to share my screen now, please. I want to share my screen so that I think Empire is having some kind of challenges with its network. And while we are waiting for that to be resolved, I'm going to pick up the meeting. So some of the things she was trying to share with us, some of us couldn't listen because of network challenges. So let me say this to us. This you see this robot we want to digest. This is the artificial intelligence. Now, for the sake of newbies, this is a robot that is going to be trading the crypto market for us. So what we want to do tonight is this. We want to learn how to trade the cryptocurrency market with a robot. Now, this robot has been trading for me, and by God's grace, have generated a profit of over $1 million in gross profit together in different accounts, in gross profit over $1 million with robots. Now, as a trader who has been trading, personally, I've been trading cryptocurrency myself since 2014, February 2014. I moved from being a forex trader to a crypto trader. And by the special grace of God, I had never believed that a robot could trade. I've always believed in myself with my knowledge in fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and sentimental analysis. I believe I can do anything in the crypto market until I started testing different robots. When I use a robot called RoyaQ, TafaBot, and the rest of them, I say to myself, I will never use a robot before because I don't know if you guys can hear me now. So sorry for that. Sorry for that, please. I believe you all can hear me now, please. Can you all hear me? We are so sorry for that network interruption, but I believe everybody can hear me right now. Because I want to pick off. So guys, for some persons have gone, they left the meeting before time, but if you can hear me, so sorry, we apologize for that break in transmission. I had a call and something happened and my Starlink misbehaved. But if you can hear me, so I was trying to tell us about the robots. So this robot, we're going to be learning tonight how to use this robot to trade the crypto financial market and make profit consistently every single day. And by the special grace of God, I told us that this robot you're seeing here have helped me in the past 1 year alone, to make a profit over $1 million profit. And the student that was speaking to us, one of my students, Mr. Chibike, has done a profit of over $200,000 in gross profit in one account, cumulatively. I will have students. I have one of my students, Mr. Mohammed, did a profit of about $300,000 in less than 4 months. So you're going to be learning how to tap into these dimensions of how to use this robot to make money. First, to get started, there are tools you need to make money with this robot. Number one is called your smartphone. Yes, you need a smartphone. Probably most preferably probably an Android phone. Like I'm using a Samsung phone. You can use any phone of your choice. Yes, iPhone works, but best option, an Android phone. So you need a smartphone for this business model. Second thing you need for this business model, you need a smart internet-enabled phone. That means you need an internet. Yes, you must have an internet connection. Then the next thing you need is this. You need to download what we call a cryptocurrency exchange. Crypto exchange, and there are so many among them. You can see here, these are the exchanges you can use in this particular robot. Like what you have here, you can use Binance, you can use Bybit, you can use BitGet, you can use OKS, you can use Bitmart, KuCoin. There are so many of them. Gate.io, Mesh Exchange, that is Mexi. It's called Mesh Exchange, HCS, Kraken Futures, Binance US, Bitfinex, BinkS. So all these are crypto exchanges that you can all use. Now, this comes with different parts of the world, wherever you are. It depends on the one you can use, okay? So right here, I want to teach you how to use this robot to make money. But I understand there are some newbies among us, so I'm going to start from the beginning, beginner's scratch on how you can be able to make money with this robot. First, this is it. In this robot, the first thing you need to do is to get registered with the robot. And in all our group chat, to have admins and people who are going to assist you on how to get registered. We have the links to register in different group chats you belong to. Get registered. Once you are done, download the robot and log in with the credentials you use while registering, right? Once you've logged into this robot, it's time to make money. Remember I told you you need any of these crypto exchanges. Don't forget. So you must have downloaded Bybit, or you downloaded Binance, BitGet, OKS, Bitmart, anyone. You must not use all of them. In fact, you should not even use all of them. You can't use all of them. In my own case, I am using Bybit for this account, right? I am using Bybit for this account. You can use Binance in your own case. You can use Binance. You can use Binance US. You can use BitGet. Any crypto exchange of your choice works. So once you are done downloading this exchange, you need to do what we call get a gas for the robots and do API binding. But I'm going to talk about that later in this training. Let's look at how to trade with the robot to be able to make profit with the robot. So let's head over to this. Now, if I come here, I think this is one of the student accounts I'm currently logged into. If I come in right here, you're gonna see what you call markets. Can you show it showed markets? And when I click on markets, you're gonna show you different headlines for the markets. I checked in all. You can see every crypto coin that is trading in the exchange I am trading in. Now, what is an exchange? A crypto exchange is a place you trade cryptocurrency. not you save. It's not a saving place. You don't save coins in exchanges. Even some people use it to save coins. You trade crypto in exchanges. Like I am using Bybit in this account. I'm using Bybit for example for this account. All the coins that are listed in Bybit are going to be showing here. Okay, all the coins that are listed in Bybit are what I'm seeing right here in my U Trading account. This robot is called U Trading Robot. Now, this market is showing you the current value of these coins. Now, it means that you can trade any of these coins with the robot. So right now, you can decide to trade only layer 1 coins, like that's way, or layer 2 coins. You can decide to trade only Hala coins. You can decide to trade only meme coins, DeFi coins, and some coins that are under monitoring. That is, they are still watching, right? And then RWA coins, seed coins, POWI infrastructure coins. They are different. You can decide to go into any specialty. AI coins. You can trade only AI coins, right? But in my own case, I prefer trading layer 1 coins, and I have my reasons. Everybody have their preferences. Layer 1 or layer 2 coins. Layer 1 coins are basically the ones I'm going to mark up the layer 1 coins for you. Now, let's assume we want to trade right now, set up a proper trading settings so we can be able to make money. Before we go into that, let me explain the interface of the robot and you mastering and understanding how every single thing, an overview of what you get to get in this robot for you. First, that is the market session I just showed you right now. If I come to this session here, you are seeing that it's written trade. This one. Let me go there. What can you see there? You can basically see that there are 4 ways to trade with this robot. 4. Now, 4 basic ways. The first one is called the automated trading. The second one is called the synchro trading, which is called the synchronized trading. Third one is called the signal trading. And the fourth one is called the manual trading. So these are the 4 basic trading that you can use to make money with this robot. However, each of them have diversification. They are detailed. The first one, I'm going to start with the first one, which is the automated trading. Automated trading, just as the name implies, stands for the word automation. Automation, meaning that every single thing here is automated, is automatic. The robot is doing everything for you. So you can trade sports or futures. Now, for newbies, spot trading is kind of a semi-investment trading. It's a means of you buying a crypto coin when they are undervalued, when they are lower in price. And remember, the word is called trading. You sell them as they appreciate in value. So you are as good as somebody who is trading stock, buying stock. Somebody who is buying gold when the price of gold is small. Somebody who is buying silver, buying diamond, and selling at higher price, or somebody who is into real estate, buying landed properties. You are not an investor per se, but you are a trader. You are like a developer who builds a house and sells at an increase in price. So you buy in the crypto coin, in the digital asset, crypto market, there is what we call spot trading. You buy a coin when it's lower in price, and you sell when the price have appreciated. I know you all know this. Probably a number of us in this meeting know this. I'm only talking to newbies, so that's why I'm breaking it down from scratch. So I'm going to go to the part where I'm going to go into the advanced nature of this business, but we must start from the basics. Now, the futures trading, as you can see here, is a means of you making money trading the crypto, the market direction, not the value of the coin per se right now, like you do in sport. You're not trading the directions of the market. So let's give an example. Market is basically going up, right? So you are trading the what? Long direction. Long means up in the crypto market. Short means down in the crypto market. So when you hear the word bullish market, it means, or long market, it means that market is going up. When you hear the word bearish market or bear market, it means, or short market, it means that market is going down. So in the futures market, you can trade the bullish market, long or up market, or the bearish market, short or down market. Meaning that you have the capacity, the ability to make money whether market is going up or market is going down. So in this robot, you can make money trading futures. However, meaning you can make money whether the crypto market is going up or the crypto market is going down. Somebody writing on the screen, trust me, I am going to remove you. I'm going to remove you if you write on the screen again. Please, let's pay attention. Okay? You can make money whether market is going what? Up or market is going down. Very simple. So, but using automated to trade the crypto market have a lot of effects that I don't want you to experience. Like, it's not the best for you. In automated trading, like this one you are seeing up here, automated trading, you can never maximize the market. You cannot make good profit because you are leaving your ability, your own part to play in the business for the robot to do every single thing for you. You are going to be making money like somebody who is, somebody are dashing money. Like somebody is gifting you something. You are like somebody who just have money. If you want to trade automated and you want to make real money from automated, you must have good capital. But a number of persons in this meeting don't have good capital. They are people who want to raise money. So you can't raise money using automated trading. Let me give you an instance. When Mr. Mohammed joined this meeting, most of you guys know him. Do you know he doesn't have, his case is like Chibuike's case, he only have slight difference. He had money, he was already doing crypto small. So he has purchased some USDT and he have money in some coins, but he doesn't have any other money. No Naira. He's from Ghana, so he doesn't have money. He was in Lagos part-time. He doesn't have money whether in the fiat currency. So he converted those money he has in crypto coin, in his Binance to USDT, and he bought you gas without capital to trade. Now, he was able to later raise capital to start trading. But this same person was able to hit $10,000 for a long time. It took him some time, truth be told. He changed his plan to go migrated to TVIP 6, which I never expected him to do that, and started using $3,000 to an uptrend in trade. This is someone who started from zero, literally almost from zero. In 2 months plus, less than 3 months, he made $240,000. Yes, he broke the record. Like, he literally broke my record. 2 months, $240,000 profit. Now, do you know why? I'm going to tell you why as we proceed in this meeting. But I want to tell you that part of the reason why he was able to do that was the strategy he used. The strategy we taught, but there was something about that strategy that some of us have not actually looked into. And that was why I told you that if you pay attention to this meeting, you'll get a lot of things to learn. So now let's proceed. Now, you cannot make, he wouldn't have been able to make $240,000 in less than 3 months with automated trading. It's not possible. So there was why he used to be able to make that. There's only one kind of trading that could give you that kind of profit because of strategy. Now, the second one we have here is called synchronized trading. Truth be told, we are not using that in this community. Nobody among us is using synchronized trading. However, I have tried synchronized trading. I tell you that is copy trading, meaning that if I set up a copy trading system for you guys is going to copy my trade and every trade I put in, you're going to copy it. The disadvantage in copy trading system is this. When I was into Forex, I tried a lot of copy trading system in Forex, and that was where I hated copy trading, because when I was learning Forex many years ago, you are at the mercy of the traders. If a trader was to be drunk, maybe he's a reckless trader, or there are people that take a very high risk in trading. You will see their profit margin, you will just see them making good money, and after a while, they're going to blow their account. So in kind of, even though that is Forex, this is non-crypto. If you copy somebody who is not that unique, you are going to be at the mercy of the person. That is why we also say no to copy trading system. We are not using copy trading system in this system. And so far, we don't intend to use. Right? So the next one here is called Signal. Signal trading. Now, this one sounds very interesting because it's something that most of us know about. The truth is this: Signal, every trading, every trading platform uses Signal. It's either you are a Signal provider or you're a Signal user. It's either you are providing Signal for people to use or you are using people's signals to trade. But however, you are always trading Signal. What is Signal? Signals are calculated directional trades given to you to look at and implement or trade in the direction of that market. Now, let me tell you how we provide signals. Let's assume right now I do fundamental and technical analysis on Ethereum. And I can tell you that based on the market surge right now in the market, that Ethereum is going to go down today or in the next 10 minutes. I tell you that Ethereum is going to be going down. I am already giving you a signal in Ethereum, but this one is not precise signal because I only give you a view of Ethereum direction. But a good signal should tell you the time Ethereum is going to be going down. The price range I am expected to enter a short trade on Ethereum so I can make money on the down, because in crypto, in futures trading, you should make money when the market is going down or up. So Ethereum is going down. I want to make money that Ethereum is going down. I will trade short. But I should know when to enter the trade, when to leave the trade. Every single thing is being given to you in a very calculated signals, and you trading guys have made this simplified. Let me show you guys quickly the signal. So I'm going to click on the signal here, this particular signal here. If I click on it and I click on signal, what can you see? You're going to be seeing these are a bunch of signals that we are giving right today. You can see this one is just pushed, just pushed, just pushed. Are you seeing them? It's not all. These are different coins, different signals. Just push, just push. It means that these signals we are giving in the past 1 minute, like not up to 1 minute already, that they release these signals. Every single day, every 5 minutes, these guys releases bunch of different signals. Can you see here? This is, let me just mention the number of how many coins we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You can see them a whole lot. I have even lost count. Over 25 coins that were released in less than 1 minute ago, with precise direction on where you should trade them. How do you know the directions? These are the directions here. This is for spot traders. This is for futures traders. If you're a future trader, you want to trade long, you should come to this signal area and uncheck the short, uncheck the short, the spot and the short, and leave the long. This one, leave it. So looking at this, you should be able to see that this is what? Long. That all these signals are showing you long. That this coin, Sun Doge, that is the name of the coin, is going up. IMX is going up. Milk is going up. This one called 1000 cat is going up. All these coins you are seeing here under what just push are all going up. So how do I trade them? There are so many ways to trade them, right? Some other persons will tell you, as you come in here right now, just click on any of the coin and click on launch. It will show you followed successfully. This coin is already trading for me in my exchange. But if you do this, I always tell you, you will not make money. You will not make money. Doesn't mean that you will not make money. You are going to make money, but your profit will be very small. It will be too small for you. So how do you maximize, truly maximize these coins to make money with them? I'm going to show you. So be patient. Just be patient, okay? I'm going to show you every single thing. However, if you're here and you want to trade, you don't know whether it's long. Let's assume I check long and it wasn't long. I can say uncheck long and check short to check if it's short trade. So when I check short, you see that the last short trade I had was 30 minutes ago. Are you seeing that? 30 minutes ago, 1 hour ago, 1 hour ago. That was when the momentum in the markets was bearish. These coins were predicted to go short and they went down. Now, the momentum in the 5 minutes candle is showing us long. And these coins have been predicted to go down on 5 minutes ago. And I mean to go up rather on 5 minutes ago. And they are currently going up. See, as a trader, I am a signal provider. I've been trading for 11 years now by God's grace. I've trained hundreds of thousands of persons in different parts of the world, this trading business, and some of them are doing big time. Today, I can tell you that I have measured these guys' signals. The signals, I can rate it 95, 98% accurate. And if you rate a signal 85% accurate, like without hype, you say that a signal is 85% accurate, it means that 85% times you trade these signals, you should be making profit. These guys' signals are 95 to 98% accurate. No signal in the world is being rated once it's trading is being given 100%. So when I say a signal is 98, 95% accurate, it means it's a gold mine. It's extremely powerful. Like, this is the best you can get anywhere. I have people who have created group chats. I mean, groups. And they are selling these signals that you are getting here free of charge. They are selling it to people, to others. Some are selling it for $100, $200, $500 on monthly basis, $1,000 every month. People will pay them $1,000 to get signals on monthly basis. I know somebody here in Nigeria who sells his signal room for $3,500 monthly, like every single month. People are going to subscribe. He has many subscribers. People are going to pay him $3,500 just to get signals to trade. And here you are getting more accurate signals to trade right in here. And some of them are copying the signals that are being dropped here every minute, and they are reselling these signals. That is a no-no. If we catch you, we'll report you. If you do that and we catch you, we'll report you. Remember, our account will track it and they will ban your trading account. It's against their policy. These things are given for people in this community and should not be. You shouldn't sell it to any person. If you want to, you have a signal community, you want to give signals, this particular signals here, give it to them for free. So let's proceed right now. To be able to maximize, I told you guys about these signals, that if you really want to make money in these signals, there are ways you can trade these signals. I want to show you right now. To trade these signals, we do this in the manual trading setup. Manual. This, unarguably, is the most profitable. This one is the real gold mine. This one is the one that have allowed me to do that figure I was calling you, $1 million in profit. It couldn't have been done outside manual trading setup. So I'm going to quickly click on the manual. Let's look at it. Manual. Now, looking at the manual trading setup, there is something I want to draw your attention to. We have multiple, I call them strategy. So we now have multiple robots and multiple strategies in each of these robots. Here, we have 10 different robots inside this manual setup. The first one is called the AIDCA Pro. That is the first one you're seeing here. Then we have the second one, which is now this particular one you're seeing here. Please. We have this one, which is the Matinga. Then we have this one, another Matinga. We have a whole lot of them. Can you see them? 10 different. This year for features, this year for sport, AIDCA grid, AI grid, AIDCA features for sport, Matinga for sport, Matinga for features, and this first one. So these are 10 different robots in one. Now, I want to actually show you 2 of them and how to use them. Probably will I be able to show you 2? Maybe because of our time right now is quite has really passed. The time is not on our side. I will just show you an overview of one of them. So I'm going to go with this one, which is called DCA. This one, DCA for features. You see this one? We're going to look at this one, right? We're going to look at this one. So if I click on this DCA, what you're going to be seeing here right now is that we have multiple robots. Now, we have this one strategy, one of the robots. And to use this robot, It gives you access to trade directions. If you are trading the signals, you are going to come here to select either long or short. Remember from the signal room I showed you, if you want to trade auto hedging means that I don't know the direction. I am not interested in knowing the direction. Robot, analyze for me and choose directions for me. But in your analysis, choose the two directions of market for me. Meaning that the robot is going to be choosing both the long direction and the short direction for you. It will first choose the first direction market is going, and it's going to hedge the second direction. That is auto hedging. Now, auto direction simply means that the robot is choosing one direction per time. Every time you launch a trade, the robot is going to look at the direction the market is going and open that direction for you. Once he closes the trade, he's going to analyze the market again to check the next direction market is going and we choose for you. However, there is some tricks or little settings, secrets on how to use the auto directions perfectly. So far, if you are still following me, let me know by dropping the fire emoji on the comment section. I want to be sure you are following. Everybody, go straight up, drop the fire emoji. Go straight up, drop the fire emoji on the comment section. Go drop the fire emoji. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's do that quickly. Do that quickly. Fire emoji. Oh my God. All right. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Meaning that you guys are still following. So right now we're going to proceed. We got to proceed. Okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now that you are still following, we are going to now look at in detail every other thing. With what you are seeing here, we have a setup already. We have recorded training step by step that will guide you on every single thing I'm going to be taking my time to teach you right here. We have done different trainings. Like when I mean different, I mean I have personally recorded over 10 trainings. With Achibike, I've recorded many as well on how you can be able to set up. Mohammed, I've done also some recordings on how you can be able to do set up on this with this manual TCA. How you can trade the signals, how you can set up some trades. You can basically pick coins randomly from here. As I told you guys, I prefer trading layer 1 coins. And in this layer 1 coins, I prefer trading the A coins. This one you are seeing A. Because of their low volatility in nature. And then my guaranteed profit. One thing I want to assure you here is this. Your capital is 100% guaranteed. It's in your exchange. The robot is going to be trading for you right inside your exchange. And if you're following our strategy to trade with this, to use this robot, you are going to be making money, 100% guaranteed. Trade the A coins. B coins are not bad. Now, let me show you the layer 1 coins you can trade using that strategy. You can trade Solana, Ethereum. This bull run did not favor. Ethereum has been very stupid this bull run. However, it used to be one of my favorites in the last bull run. So trade SRP, trade 3. These are the layer 1 coins. Either Seiton, so TROS. These are layer 1 coins. I'm showing you right here. So HBAR is an AI coin. You have Avas. So sorry, you have Avas. You have BNB. So say layer 1 coin. BNB is a layer 1 coin. So Pool, Atom, are you seeing them? So other ones you are seeing basically here, most of them are layer 2 coins. So maybe I'm missing out for some others, but others basically are layer 2 coins. So we have limited layer 1 coin, but what I do is I bunch it with multiple layer 1 coins, trade them over and over and over again. So now, if I don't want to trade layer 1 coins, meaning that without any signal, I can personally come here, select all the layer 1 coins, go to the trade, select manual trading, choose the last DCA Pro, and come in here right now, click on all, and search. Let me say I want to trade, like for example now, Avalanche, or let me say Solana, I want to trade So. Click on So, for example, select it, and set up my trade on So. If I want to do this in this manner, and I don't want to use signals, instead of me to use the auto direction, instead of me to use rather the long and short, which is for signal, I will use the auto direction. However, if I want to now trade in a precise accuracy, I will not use this robot. I will now come in here and use this one, which is called the AI DCA Pro. This one will first ask me to select my coins. And I will now come here and select the layer 1 coins. Then I will now check the coins I want to trade, all of them. All the coins I want to trade, like this one I mentioned to you. Maybe I might want to trade Move, Avalanche, Near. I will trade Near. It's not a layer 1 coin, but I love it. I will trade Ton. So then I will trade BNB. I will select, it's giving me chances to select up to 25 coins. Are you seeing it? 25 coins. Let me go back so you can see it. I will go again. I selected Solana, SRP, Dodge, ADA, Ton, BNB. So let me go to all BNB. I can select WIF, wife. I can select SWI. We have done ADA. This is the one. Maybe Move. We can do Move. Move is very volatile anyways. It's a new coin. Avalanche. Can do Tier and Near Ondo. So you can do up to 25 coins per time, but I want to stop in 12. Once I'm done, I will click here. I will come in here right now and select confirm. Confirm. That is if you are not trading. If you are not trading, what is it called again? This is if you are not trading signals. But even if you are trading signals, you can still trade them right here in precise accuracy. So while I'm here right now, remember I am not trading signals. So I don't have any business with long and short. But if you want to trade signals, see, let me tell you the truth. This robot is too deep. Let me just teach you this strategy. It's too deep. Maybe I've taught this once. It's too deep. Let me show you something. Look at the indicator hedging. This indicator hedging you are seeing here is the same long and short per time. It means that if I'm trading, if I open this right now, these 12 coins I selected will going to open 2 directions for me. And the robot will be trading this 2 direction, will be closing profit for me. But the issue here with indicator hedging is that you always have floating loss, like you always be in trade. So instead of me, if I want to trade indicator hedging, I must make sure I select a single trade, meaning that I don't want the robot to trade, like to open the next trade for me again once it take profit in a trade. So if you want to do indicator hedging, you do single. So the robot, once you open long and short, up and down, and he closes profit in any of them, it will open the next one. But if you don't have time, this is what you do. I will come here right now and select not even indicator direction. Say that you do indicator direction, but me, I want to do trade signals. I will select long, but I don't know the direction that these coins are right now. But I want the robot to analyze these coins, place them on a watch list. All these 25 coins or 12 coins I selected, whenever there is a signal on any of these coins, the robot will trigger the trade for me. So I'm going to set both long and short in these settings. So first, I am choosing long. And once I have chosen long, I will then come here and choose the leverage I want to use. Am I confusing you? I shouldn't be confusing you. This is very, very simple. But if you're not understanding it, you watch the video after the I will click on save. I want to do 20x. And when I do this, once this thing you do also determines on the capital you're going to see reflect on your account. Once I do this, I am not going to come in here right now and check here. Can you see where they show you period? I will leave it at 15 minutes. Then open condition. Open condition. Look at it. I will not use immediately because I don't want this coin to open immediately. I want them to trade for signals, to wait for the signal. So I will now choose on waiting UTRS signals. I will select this particular one, waiting UTRS signals. Are you seeing it? I will click on save. Now that I click on save, I will now come in here right now. I want to wait. Remember, waiting UTRS signals, very, very important. I will now come here right now and click on this one here, right? Once I click here, I will then see take profit level, smart settings. I will leave it. So click on this particular one, running settings, and the running mode. Make sure your running mode is left at single. Am I confusing anybody? New business is not difficult, so it's very simple. Don't think it's difficult. You see these settings you are seeing here. Some persons are trivializing it. This is just what I learned. I took my time studying this robot learned what many other persons are copying today. Number one, globally, there is no team that is doing better globally than Your Money team right now in this business, in trading. We have not just broken record. We have people in Uganda who started with this robot long time ago. People in India, Indian people that with their head we are crazy before, are coming to copy what we are doing right now with this robot. Indian guys started using this robot before us. But right now, globally, I mean, in the whole world, in Singapore, they were doing well. The Singapore people are doing very well with this robot right now, but they are all looking at what we are doing. We are like the pace setters right now in this robot. So pay attention to what I'm teaching you. If you learn it, you do it right way, money begin to flow through your table. So I'm choosing the single directions, and I'm definitely going to set my take profit because I don't want to leave it. And I want to use percentage. So here, I want the robot to always, remember he's taking precise signals for me. I'm going to do 3% because I don't want you to, market is going to, and if there will be signal on any of these coins, the signal should go up to 3% before it. Look at every time you see a market upsurge, it's doing like 7%, 10%. So what is 3%? So I'm going to leave it at 3% at this particular time. You can do 2% if you are not too decent. So here, take profit and stop loss. Well, you see total stop loss. Persons want to take stop loss. It's a measure. I don't always use stop loss in my trading, and I've always said why. But if you want to use stop loss, you can as well use stop loss, maybe 10% or whatever stop loss you want to use. But in my own case, I don't like using stop loss. The robot is so precise, and they have been giving us good profit without stop loss. And there are other settings you need to do. And once you are done with other settings, I have recorded the training already. Go and watch the training. It's in our 10K group. It's in our inner group. So once you're done with these settings, you go and click on launch. This robot will trigger that particular thing for you. And once you trigger it, it will trigger the trade for you. Whenever there is a signal on those 25 coins, the robot will take the trade for you and give you profit. If you're done doing it, once there is a long signal, once you do it on long, come back to the same thing on short and go back and sleep like a baby. Wake up with good profit. That is just it. So right here, I'm going to stop explaining this direction right here because I have taken my time to record the trainings on how you can do every single thing. But for newbies, I want to say this. If you want to use this robot, it's completely free of charge, right? It's free of charge. You're not paying a dime. You only need to buy a fuel for the robot. And the fuel is very, very simple. It's very, very cheap. To buy the fuel, you come here, click on after downloading and registering the robot, verifying your account with our admins. So come in here and click on more. Once you click on more, you're going to come in here and click on store. So once I click on store, you're going to see here that there are different prices for the robots. So you can see these are the fuels for the robot. The first fuel here, which is sold for $45, is not for trading. However, people use it to trade. It's for their own. I don't know why they use it for trade, but the people that made the robot told you that it's called a test bot. It's for testing the robots. Right? Now, they did not allocate any trading VIP for this robot. In this robot, there is something we call speed. So, and it's come with TVIP. Whenever you see TVIP, stand for speed. Like, look at it here, TVIP. Are you seeing it? This one have TVIP 0. Okay? Then we have other ones. We have other TVIPs that have good speed. So have the second one here, which is called the TVIP 1. This one is sold for $95. Is the first speed 1. So the difference between the speed 1 and the speed 2 is so powerful. The gap is mighty. We have the second speed 2. This one called the TVIP 2. We have the TVIP 3, sold for 8,700. We have the TVIP 4, sold for 24,000. That is 2,400 rather. We have the TVIP 5, sold for 3,750, and TVIP 6, sold for $7,000. Now, anyone that is you can be able to afford, you can go for it. The minimum is $95. That is the minimum amount you can use to buy a gas. And when you buy that $95, you are giving 10,000 gas. Now, the gas will be going down as you're trading. So with this one, with the 7,000 gas, you should be able to make at least $500,000 profit, right? So now, this was a gas that Mr. Mohammed used to make $240,000 profit with $3,000 capital. People have been asking what was his capital. His capital was $10,000 because he started with in our group, bought $90 UGAS when the UGAS was $90, and he was able to accumulate his trade gradually until he made $10,000, joined the 10K group, migrated to TVIP 3 first, then traded for a while for like 2 weeks, tested the speed, and then moved to TVIP 6. So you must not go to 6 at a go. You can start with what you can be able to afford. If your capital right now, all you can afford is TVIP 1, then why are you going to borrow money to go to TVIP 2? No, just start from what you can afford. But if you can afford the higher speed, the cars give you the privilege of different speed, then head over to the speed you can afford and trade like a pro and make money faster. So the speed only comes with fast, like how speed is fast, how fast the robot can close the space and make profit for you, the number of coins the robot can accommodate per time, and is a good trade at a faster range for you. And that is what the speed comes with. So speed 2, speed 3, speed 4, 5, and 6 are called speed bots. They all only have their name, the speed bot, super speed, executive speed, and all that. So they all have their names, but they're all speed bots. The higher the gas, the higher the speed. However, once you have gotten your gas, regardless of the gas you've gotten, I always tell people, don't be in the dark. We have private mentorship group chats that we are training people. We are here to train you on how to use the robot, how to maximize your trade, set up your trade, make profit, and etc. And to do this, we are going to be asking you to join our private group chat. So all you need to do is to reach out to an admin in our group to add you to a group, to add you to our private group. If you got the $95 UGAS, you'll be added to the inner group. Don't request to join the 10K group. You won't be added there. Or the 1 million gang group. If you got the 540 UGAS, 1,700 and above, you can join the 10K group or the inner group. And here are the privileges. Number one, in the 10K group, you will trade with the higher speed. That is your own privilege. You already have this gas and the speed. Secondly, you are given coins to buy and hold for the bull run. We're in the bull season, and people are doubting it, that the bull run are speculations in the internet that the bull runs have ended. It's a mirage, it's a lie, it's a lie from the pit of hell. We have not hit the heat of the bull run, and we give you coins to buy and hold for this year's bull run. And that will make you multi-millionaires before we are done with this bull run. Special coins you can buy and hold. We also give you, desk calls that make you money occasionally. It doesn't come every day. Occasionally, when the signals come for desk trading, you have made a lot of people money. I know a student made $5,000 with $2 blessing. Another student I know made $32,000 with about $51 capital. Another student, I can't even count them. Different students and their different earnings. Trading desk coins we give you in the 10K group, right? These are the advantages of joining the group. So, and there are so many other advantages of joining the group. And some desk coins you can as well hold for the bull run. Now, do not leave the meeting until we are done so we can be able to pay attention to these information to the end. That is not all you get. You will get access to lifetime mentorship, lifetime training, lifetime mentorship. We have every Fridays and Tuesdays. We didn't have a Monday meeting. That's why today we're having a general meeting. We have a special meeting for you. Fridays, like this week Friday, is going to be an exclusive meeting to those who have gotten their gas. We train you on different ways you can be able to use this robot to make money. We give you the details and the secrets of the robot. And that is not just all. We give you coins to buy and hold and etc. and coins, desk coins, and different other updates to help you make money and maximize profits. So the reason why it's called 10K group was because many months ago, I started a strategy to make $10,000 in a month. And that month alone, we did $32,000 in profit. And when I hit first $10,000, I now created that group and called it 10K challenge. I said, students, let's know how many of us that can hit $10,000. Right now, people are doing $100,000 in a month. Mohammed did $240,000 in a month. Some students are doing $50,000 in a month. Some are doing $15,000, $10,000 in their different capacities and how the market moves. Because whether the market is going down, our prayer is the market should be moving. Some of you are praying the market should be moving up. Some people are praying market should be moving down. My own prayer is that market should be moving. It's either moving up or down. Anywhere it moves, we are making money in this market. Using this robot, when it's moving down, we are on short trade. Automatically, the robot is taking our short trade and closing in profit for us. When it's moving up, robot is taking our long trade and closing profit for us. So regardless of the direction the market is moving, we are making money. So right now, we are now in the pattern or the goal or a challenge to make $1 million in 12 months. It's a challenge thrown for everybody in our community, for only those in our 10K group and in our $1 million gang group. I created another group recently called it $1 million gang group. It's equivalent to 10K group, and the goal is to make $1 million in 12 months. And definitely, it's just like a challenge. You can do it. Anybody can do it. Students who I never knew they could do $10,000 are here doing $300,000, $100,000, meaning that anybody can do it. There is only one reason why you can't be able to make money in this space. Now, pay attention. I've told you why you can make money and how you can make money. There is why you can make money. When you come here with the mindset of Ponzi scheme, get rich quick scheme, those who want to come in here and they want to become a multi-millionaire overnight, even though we have a challenge to make $1 million, in 12 months, some persons want to make it in 1 month. I know you are a thief, and here we don't accommodate thieves, right? So if you are such a person, this is not for you, right? You have a mindset of Ponzi scheme. That is those people that have created, people, Africa, Nigeria, Africa, Uganda, South Africa, and all African countries, Asia. You guys love something. You love Ponzi scheme. That is why they have always sold to you Ponzi scheme. Ponzi scheme. Do you know that Ponzi scheme don't thrive in America? It don't thrive in Europe. It thrive in Asia, in Africa, because people in Asia, in some part of Asia and Africa, are poor. They don't want to work to make money. They don't want to learn a skill set. Like this thing I'm teaching you right guys right now. Some of you are already leaving the meeting because you're not willing to learn. You just want to make money. And there is nobody who makes money without learning. It's only a criminal who want to make money without learning anything. You don't have a skill. What are you doing? I'm an investor. What are you investing in? You don't know. How can somebody bring a website, tell you to put your money, that you are going to make, that they're going to double the money, or they are going to give you 5%? Because some of you think that when the percentage is lower, it's real. It's a scam. Whether it is 0.0001% they are giving you in a day, or 100% they are giving you in a day, once there is nothing they are doing to make the money, in fact, once that money, that your capital is not in your hands, it's already a red flag. I call it scam alert. You see, platforms like CBES, Omega Pro, there are many of them. I can't even remember a lot of them that have, I have been doing reviews after the last one I did called PhD, and people that I invested my money and lost money, and I have always been clever that these things are not investment, these things are just the same thing. In fact, some of them will look so real. They will look 100% real. All they are looking for is the first batch of people who are going to invest money. They will pay them. So they will not go and call their family and their relatives to come and invest more money, and they will disappear. That is what you like, and that is where you'll be scammed. If you have such mindset coming here, this is not a place for you. Trust me, go to the internet and join them. And trust me, you lose your money there. You lose your money. So what we do here is trading. The only difference is that we are leveraging on a robot that has been tested and trusted over the years to trade effectively with profit to trade. That means that time you have continued to learn how to trade like a pro. You no longer need to learn how to trade like a pro. You only now need to learn. There is learning in the process. You now need to learn how to use that robot. The robot is a tool. If you don't know how to trade, you should be able to learn how to use the robots. And that is what we do in our mentorship classes. We teach you basics of trading and then teach you how to use the robot to trade and make money. And with this, many lives have been changed all over the world. I think I logged into one of my student accounts. I don't know. Let me check the account I'm currently logged into. Okay. So, and this student has made money. Let's look at this. This student has made $12,000 profit. Can you see that? $12,000 in profit, my people. In profit. $12,000 profit. This is it. In how many days? Look at it. Oh, this is about how many days? It's not up to a month. In a couple of days, a student has made $12,000 in gross profit. What are you doing? This is not my account. I told you guys I stopped showing my account, not just for security reasons, for many reasons. I know there were periods I used to show accounts, trading profits. You'll be seeing $200,000, $300,000, $400,000. The time I showed an account, somebody was like, boss, I got some, reasons why I stopped showing my personal account in trading. But these are students' accounts you'll be seeing countlessly. $12,000 in a couple of days. And you can do it. Look at the time you started trading. So when I say a couple of days, it's not like, look at the dates here now. The chart is not lying to you. So it's not like you are having figures. This is the dates. So anybody can do it. We are not showing you things that is not working. We are showing you things that are working, tested and trusted. Students are using it to make money. So if you want to change your life, you want to gain financial stability, you want a business model that is guaranteed to help you make money, print money on a daily basis, in demand, in table, in your hands, leveraging on this artificial intelligence, by God's grace, with your capital being in your own control, not giving somebody money to trade for you or putting money in a website, because the robot, you're not giving the robot your money. Your money is going to be in your crypto exchange. Then you are in the right place. And you are now willing to learn what we do. Welcome to the family. So let's ride together to create wealth together. I will be inviting you tomorrow again by 9 p.m. We're going to be having another meeting. It's going to be an exciting one. Make sure you don't miss it. And if you're yet to sign up, get registered, head over to the group you belong. Remember, admins will never chat you first. We give out links and numbers you can chat. You reach out to them. You reach out to them. Once you are waiting for somebody to reach out to you, some of you are, hey, somebody reach out to me, claim to be Mr. Gideon. It's not me. I don't have the time. I will not chat you. When you chat me, I will respond. If sometimes I have at least 1,000 chats per day. So I respond to the capacity I could be able to respond to. But we have different admins that respond to you. And they answer your questions. So we have given their numbers in our WhatsApp group chat and a link to chat on Telegram in our Telegram channel. Go right now and reach out to them. Get registered in the link to register. Reach out to them once you are done buying your yogas. Even if you have an issue buying, they will guide you through and put you through. And if you belong to any group where they sell USDT, you are in the wrong place. We teach you how to buy it yourself. We have done videos on how to buy it. Not you giving out people money to buy for you. They will scam you. I don't have a vendor that sells USDT. I don't even recommend any vendor. Because in Bybit, in BitGet, you can buy yourself. Why then giving somebody's number and putting people under risk of being scammed? So don't buy USDT from anybody. From our group chat, who's going to private chat you or add you to a group that sells USDT. Scam. It's not from me. If he bears my name and see my profile picture there, it's not from me. So go back to the group chat, the Your Money group you belong to on WhatsApp, on Telegram. Register and sign up. Look out for the admin's number there. Chat them up, or the link on Telegram. Click and chat them up and ask your questions. They will attend to you. And once you are then buying your yogas, do not forget, reach out to them to add you to our private mentorship section. For tonight, I'll be stopping here. I love you all. Once again, happy new month to every one of us. This month is a month of expansion. It's a month to make massive wealth. And I will be happy to be among your success story this month. And trust me, the sky is just a starting point this month. Have a wonderful night.